This is not some kind of scientific blind man's buff. It's an experiment to find out whether children have a sense of direction. Blindfolded and ear-muffed, the subject is turned around in a special chair until he can't remember which direction he's facing. The chair stops and the subject guesses whether he's facing east, west, north or south.
West.
The guess is recorded in a small computer. If children had no sense of direction, their guesses would be random, but they're not. Children after the age of about 10 or 11 make pretty good guesses. It seems they have a real sense of direction, and it seems to be a magnetic sense. When the scientists strap a magnet to the subject's head, it disrupts his sense of direction severely.
Are there some people that are naturally very good at it and some people who are naturally very bad at it, like me?
Well, I'll reserve judgment over you until I've put you through a chair experiment, actually. The chair experiment is designed to enable us to look at individuals and give them a thorough testing, so that at the end of that experiment we should be able to say to somebody, well, you really haven't got a very good sense of direction, or you haven't got a very good magnetic sense.
I can't see anything and I can't hear much.
Good. Oh, you can probably hear something, but the direction should be difficult to tell. At the moment, you're facing west, but that's the only piece of information I'll give you.
Right.
I'm going to turn you around, get you completely disoriented, then I'll say, we're starting, and from then on, I won't say anything, and if you can tell me what compass direction you think you're facing every time I stop.
Right.
Okay? Right.
West. North. Northwest. Southwest.
Right, how did that feel?
It's very odd, I must say, because at times I felt perfectly confident and I knew exactly where I was, and yet, on the other hand, when I think about it, I think I was trying to judge everything relative to the position I thought I was in when I started.
Yeah.
Therefore, if I got it wrong when I started, then I would have been wrong all the way through.
I must say, you were very consistent. More so than most other people. During the first half, when these calls were switched off, you can see you're incredibly consistent, but if you'd been right, all of your dots would have been on this line. You are consistently in the wrong direction.
I'm 180 degrees wrong.
Yeah. So when you're facing north, you think you're facing south, and east and west, and so on. Now, when we switched the coils on, we didn't get a very nice reversal as we would have liked, but it does seem to have scattered your estimates, rather.
So what it looks like from that is that when the coil was switched on, I was just disorientated. I didn't know where I was.
That's it.
Yeah, right.